Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bottom wiper. This helpful tool is designed to assist individuals who find it challenging to reach for personal hygiene. It provides an extended reach, making the process much easier and more comfortable. Whether due to injury, age, or other mobility limitations, a bottom wiper helps maintain independence and ensures a thorough clean every time. It's a simple yet effective solution for daily care. Before using your bottom wiper, proper preparation is key. First, take about 4 to 6 sheets of toilet paper and fold them or grab a single wet wipe. Next, carefully insert the paper or wipe into the gripping end of the device. Make sure it is held firmly in place so it won't slip off during use. Many wipers feature a simple release button, allowing for easy disposal of the used paper directly into the toilet. Now, let's talk about effective use. Gently position the bottom wiper from the front to the back, ensuring a thorough and hygienic clean. Apply only light, consistent pressure. There's no need to press too hard. After each pass, release the used paper and load a fresh piece. Repeat this process as many times as necessary, typically 2 or 3 times, until you feel completely clean. Always wipe in one direction to maintain hygiene. After each use, proper cleaning and storage are essential for hygiene. First, release the used toilet paper directly into the toilet for easy flushing. Then, thoroughly wash the bottom wiper with warm water and a mild soap. It's a good practice to disinfect the device regularly, perhaps once a week, to ensure it remains sanitary. Finally, store your clean bottom wiper in a dry, easily accessible location, ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.